Once again, welcome aboard Hawaiian Air Flight 852 with service to Kona. Our boarding door is now closing. Please take your seats, fasten your seatbelts, ensure all carry-on items are properly stowed. If seated next to window, have all window shades raised for takeoff. Doors for departure, cross-check and confirm, please.
Coming up on 5 a.m.
All doors are thank you.
到着の前に、お食事のために応募した方がよろしいですか、それとも寝ていらっしゃいましたら、そのままでお食事は済まされますか、してください。はい、かしこまりました。ありがとうございます。
In command of today's flight is Captain Shotwell, being assisted by First Officer Wong and Relief Officer Dickinson. Captain has advised us flight time is estimated to be 6 hours and 46 minutes. Please take a break from all reading and conversation. Direct your attention to the video screens throughout the cabin. We'd like to share with you some very important safety features of this A330 aircraft.
本日はご搭乗誠にありがとうございます。
When you're here with us, you're in Hawaii. So please give us your attention as members of our flight crew share the safety features of this aircraft and some of our favorite spots throughout the islands.
For your comfort and safety, please fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away.
Seatbelts should be worn low and tight.
It is Hawaiian Airlines policy that you keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when seated.
While the seatbelt sign is not illuminated, you can leave your seat if necessary. When you return, please fasten your seatbelt.
Your compliance with the fastened seatbelt and no smoking signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions is required.
Note that e-cigarettes are prohibited.
Personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, may be used at any time during the flight. However, they must be set to airplane mode with all transmittal features turned off. Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Please take a moment to locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind that those exits may be in front of or behind you. All exits are equipped with evacuation slides. All evacuation slides, with the exception of those immediately behind the wings, can be detached.
And use as straps in case of a water landing.
This aircraft is equipped with emergency pass lights that lead to all exits.
To open exit doors, lift up on the handle and let go. The door will swing outward.
If the cabin pressure changes in flight, an oxygen mask will appear above your seat. Quickly reach for the mask and pull it firmly toward you. This starts the flow of oxygen.
Please ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it to your face with the elastic band, which can be tightened by pulling on the tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag may not necessarily inflate. Continue to breathe normally until advised that it is no longer needed.
We suggest that you secure your mask first, then assist your child with an additional mask, making sure that it fits tightly to the face.
A life vest is located between the seats or beneath the seats. Remove the life vest from the container by pulling the plastic tab. Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and pull the loose end tight.
As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front. The vest may also be inflated by blowing air into the tube at the top. Use a federal vest to remove gas from the aircraft.
For location and operation of the exit light vest,
Please refer to the safety briefing card or ask a flight attendant.
this is a non-smoking flight.
Smoking is not permitted at any time aboard this aircraft. For your safety, the lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors.
Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector.
The cabin safety card is located in your seat pocket ahead of you. Please review this important safety information. We ask for your help in preparing the cabin for departure.
Yeah!
Please check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your seat back is in its full upright position. Make sure your headrest and radar monitors are in the stowed position, and your carry-ons are properly stowed completely beneath the seat in front of you.
We're in the overhead compartment!
For guests in our business or first-class cabin, please ensure that your foot and leg rests are in the stowed position.
If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff.
On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, mahalo nui loa for choosing to fly with us.
何かございましたらどうぞお気軽にお声をかけください。
Enjoy your flight.